Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again, author of 500 social media marketing tips. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use animated GIFs on Pinterest to drive web traffic and sell your products. Animated GIFs were rolled out to Pinterest a couple of months ago, and the format straddles the perfect middle ground between static images and ordinary video. Its popularity is booming online at the moment, and animated GIFs can add a real sense of dynamism to your Pinterest account and provide benefit to your customers and in turn you in a really powerful way. And to show you an example of how animated GIFs are already being used on Pinterest, we're going to concentrate on the fashion brand Burberry. So if we look at this first example, they pinned an animated invite for people to watch their Autumn-Winter 2014 live fashion show. And here's animated GIFs of the invitation opening up. And after the show, it turned to Pinterest to use animated GIFs to show behind-the-scenes glimpses, mini tutorials, and ads for its products. So in this example, you've got someone applying some fresh glow fluid base. No idea what that is, but you can see it being applied here. And also these pins are rich pins, so we've got the price here and the direct link to click through and see it on Burberry.com so people can buy it. And here's one more example of a rich pin, this time for a collection of nail varnish, I imagine. And you can see we've got the price and a click through and the blurb down here, which is saying that the limited edition set of 6 nail shades from Burberry Beauty that were on show at the live event. At the time of recording, not that many brands are using animated GIFs on Pinterest, and you don't have to just use them to show off products. You can use them to show steps in tutorials and use them to highlight emotion or reactions. So if you haven't taken the plunge yet, now is a really good time to get started. That's all for this time. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more social media marketing tips like this one, to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and to check out the link to my book in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.